Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone recent call history not showing problem on your iPhone. So guys, if the recent history like this is not showing up on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you fix this issue. So guys, the very first solution is that you have to simply restart your device for one time. So guys, simply restart your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then open settings on your device. And after this, scroll it below and go to general, and then tap on software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, if there is any update like this, simply update it, and after this go to iPhone storage, and from here delete some useless data from your device as well, and make sure that your iPhone storage is not full. So guys, do this, and after this scroll it below and you have to go to date and time and set your date and time from here. So guys, simply set your date and time, and after this go back and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, and reset all settings of your device for one time. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go back and then go to screen time from here, and from here go to content and privacy restrictions and turn off the toggle for content and privacy restrictions from here as well. So guys, do this, and hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.